Today's Midday Kentucky cooking segment brought to you by Creative Kitchen and Bath, where you will always cook in style.
Welcome back to Midday Kentucky, everyone. Over here with Allison Davis in the throngs of summer.
Summer camp.
And summer camp. Isn't it? It's
we were
summer
just
yet,
talking
though, isn't
about
it?
our floors. Everything just feels like it has a little bit of an extra layer on it.
Well, kids are home.
Kids are home, kids are cooking, and,
Yeah.
you know, there's just going to be messes in the kitchen, and that's what this kitchen's for.
Yes. And everyone else's kitchen. All right, this looks like something nice and fresh that I will love to eat after work.
Yes. Well,
Hint,
this
hint.
whole week...
You need to give this to me to take home.
Yeah, this whole week or this time of year, I'm talking about watermelon,
Yeah,
right? Because
I
it
love
just
it.
screams summer to me. When I bite into a slice of watermelon, I just instantly think of summer. I don't
Yeah.
care what time of year I get it, but this is the time of year it comes into season and it's at its peak.
And there's a lot of things you can do with watermelon. Watermelon dip, watermelon salads. One of the things that I want us to do is get a whole watermelon, carve it out, put a tap in it, and then you fill it with alcohol.
I have seen that
you saw that
yeah.
on Pinterest the other.
Yeah, we might have to do that sometime on the show.
I saw it like 2 weeks ago, and I thought this is something Allison and I have got to make.
Yeah.
Well, attempt.
Attempt.
Okay, so what are we doing?
Well, we are going to actually make a watermelon salsa.
That's what I was trying to get out of my mouth instead of dip.
Okay, yeah. So we're going to do a watermelon salsa.
Okay.
So what I'm starting with is some lime zest.
Yum.
And then we are going to add the juice as well and just a touch of sugar. And then I've got some ingredients that we're going to go over. But,
Do you need me to cut this?
You can, yeah. I went ahead
Well, I
and
was just saying that because I don't want to...
It's so good, right?
Oh, it's good.
So I went ahead and took the rind off of the watermelon, and then we're just slicing it up into some small cubes, okay?
So put in here, Allison?
So just some small dice. Everything really is just going to be small dice in this.
Like a normal ceviche.
Or salsa, yes. Ceviche, we could totally turn this into ceviche
Can
if
we?
we wanted to add seafood. So ceviche is usually seafood. So you could add like scallops or tuna or something like that
Really?
with
With-
lime juice and let the lime juice cook it.
With watermelon?
Yeah, I've done a tuna and watermelon ceviche before. That's
Can we do that
fabulous.
next week, maybe?
Maybe, yeah.
I'll go fishing and catch this tuna.
Yeah, you bring it back from Australia.
Where do I buy it from?
All right. I'm going to go ahead and juice some of this lime in the bowl. And I'm going to mix a little bit of sugar in with our lime juice. I tell you a little trick. If you get limes and you have a hard time getting some juice out of them, because sometimes it happens and they seem like they're dry.
Can I give you my tip for that?
Well, I was going to give a tip, but go ahead.
No, you can give your tip. You just go to where we buy that one in the bottle.
Oh yeah, the bottle juice. You can pop your limes in the microwave, and if you heat them up just a little bit, you can get a lot more juice out of them, because when citrus is warm, you can, the juices are loose.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Then again, it's something in the kitchen I don't know much
All right, I'd say what you diced there is probably good if you'll just add that in, and then I'm going to just start handing you some ingredients that's going to blend in together with...
I'm not very good at
He
this.
almost got it in the bowl.
Camera people. Don't get what I'm... Get the camera off me. I'm doing things I shouldn't be doing, I'm sure.
All right. So to this, we're going to add, I've got a seedless cucumber. So a little bit of diced cucumber goes great with watermelon. They're just both cool and crisp and refreshing. You don't have to add that much. It's really personal preference, but a little bit of diced onion.
Yeah, I'd probably put a handful in. What do you reckon?
Yeah, go right ahead.
Well, that's about a handful.
Perfect.
It just gives it that little bit of a bite.
Right. So if we're going with salsa, we're going to heat it up a little bit because everything in that's nice and cool. So we have a jalapeno that's diced.
I'm really into jalapenos right now.
All right.
Did I say that correctly?
Not quite, but you're fine. They know what you're talking about. All right, now this one I think is a must with the watermelon. I love this, but some fresh mango.
Well, hold on. Is it a sweet mango?
It is. It's lovely. So fresh mango. All right. So in any salsa, typically you add cilantro, right, with our tomato salsa.
Yeah.
But instead of that, we're going to go with some fresh basil. Just pick this from the garden. So I've got a little purple and green basil here. Just a little chiffonade. We're going to add that basil in.
You keep doing that because I'm going to tell everyone where to get the
Yeah,
recipe.
our lime juice, our lime zest. And then we're just gonna keep mixing it together.
WTBQ.com/Midday Kentucky. Click on the recipe tabs. You'll see it all there. We're going to plate this up. We'll be right back after this short break, everyone.
Today's cooking segment was brought to you by Creative Kitchen and Bath, where you will always cook in style.